So I have a GoPro Hero 8 Black here. I'm going to show you how to connect it to an external monitor, or it doesn't matter, even a computer monitor or even a projector, as long as it has an HDMI port, because what we're going to be using is a micro HDMI to HDMI. The only thing is the GoPro 8 doesn't come with a micro HDMI input like the GoPro 5, 6, and 7. However, with the GoPro 8, what you need to do is buy this mod right here, this media mod, and then you're going to be able to connect it to your external monitor. And you can see I have this currently on. We can even go ahead and record. Let me go ahead and record this. And you can see we got the timer up there, but the screen on the actual GoPro stays black here. Let me go ahead and turn it off. And let me tap on mode here. And let's see. You can see as I'm tapping mode, all this down here, all this down here changes as well. So let me first show you what this mod here looks like. It comes in this box here. It's the media mod for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. All right, and this is what it looks like here. Let me go ahead and pop this off. And it's cool too, because it's not only are you able to relay or connect it to an external monitor, but with this media mod too, you have a microphone here. You can use the front microphone or the back. You also have two shoe mounts here, so you can even use your favorite mic if you wish instead of this. And it does come with a, you see the USB Type-C here. Here's the micro HDMI, how we connect it to an external monitor. And you have your 3.5 millimeter mic jack in there as well. And again, you got the shoe mount here or on the side. And we have the power mode button here on the side. And you can see what that here looks like. Let me go ahead and open this up just like this. Let me go ahead and whip this, slide this out. And you can see the USB-C connector right there. You have to basically plug that in. Take note, when you buy this and you put your GoPro 8 into here, you do have to actually take off the door, which is pretty easy to put back, take off and put back on. It basically just snaps in place. Pretty easy to do, just like that. And anyways, if I open this up, you don't have a micro HDMI port in here. You only have a USB Type-C. If you look the previous, this is a GoPro 7 here. This is a GoPro 8 with a GoPro 7, and I think the 6 and the 5 as well. It has a micro HDMI port, which is right here, and they have a USB Type-C. Again, the GoPro 8 only has a USB Type-C, so if you want to connect to a monitor, you would have to get this mod right here. And let's go ahead and connect this mod, and let's go ahead and connect it to the external monitor again. So let me pull that out. Let me go ahead and slide this right into here. Make sure that's in. And then I'll just go ahead and close it just like that. And again, you can see what it looks like here. So in order to connect this to an external monitor, then we would have to use one of these cables here. Here's a HDMI to a micro HDMI. Okay, so the HDMI goes into your computer monitor or your TV or external monitor, even a projector. Wherever there's a HDMI port, you'll be able to relay, you'll connect your GoPro to it. Anyway, so the micro HDMI, let me go ahead and connect that on here right now. All right, so let's go ahead and pop this in right there. Plug the other end into my TV. Okay, so it's connected. I can go ahead and turn it on. I had to go to the right, correct HDMI as well. So let me go ahead and, okay, there we go. It's turning on now. I had to reinsert it for some reason. Anyways, I have to make sure I'm on the correct HDMI port on my TV here. So let's move down, go to input or source on your remote. And let's see what HDMI, I'll try HDMI 2 here. Yeah, that's it. And then you can see we're showing the current media or the files, the videos and photos that are actually on the SD card within the GoPro. And you can navigate here as well. You can press the mode button. You can see you can basically move around. Let's just go ahead and play like a quick video. Let's tap that and you can see the current video that was on there. Of course, we can get like a live view and everything too. Let me go ahead and click on mode here. And if we move all the way over, let me click on mode here. Let's move all the way over to here, you can see, and then I'm going to go ahead and select that. And this should give us a live view. Yep, and we're on. Let me go ahead and focus in on here. Hold on. And you can see we're back in live view here. And of course, you can take photos, you can record video. Let me just go ahead and tap on that. Oops, I got to tap it again, I guess. And then you can see we're actually recording video up there. So pretty simple. Again, GoPro 8 to your monitor. It doesn't matter if it's a TV, computer monitor, projector, as long as it has an HDMI port. Okay, see you on the next one.